Hi there guys, this is Sasha from TT Liquor. Today we just wanted to showcase you a little classic and how to make it. It's a Clover Club and we chose to team up with Brockman's gin. The reason for that is because the flavor palette of that particular gin, it just lends itself to that classic cocktail, because we do a little twist on this classic drink and we use a little absinthe rinse. It's a nice shaken drink that is going to make your taste buds go wild. And Kate is going to show you how to make this cocktail.
So let's get started. Right, now first thing I'm going to do before I start making this drink is get my glass at the ready. I'm using one of these lovely Nick and Nora glasses, and I'm just going to chill that down, ready to put my drink in when I've finished making it. So I'll pop that to one side and let it chill. Now this is a shaken drink, so I'm going to start with my shaker. All my ingredients are going to go in there. First thing I need is some gin, and for this version of the Clover Club we're using this really nice Brockman's gin, which has a nice kind of citrusy, fruity flavour, which is going to work really well with the other ingredients in this cocktail. Now I want 45 mils of my gin. There we go. Next thing going in here is going to be some dry vermouth. I'm going to be using this nice cocky Americano, which is just a really nice clean dry vermouth. And I want 15 mils of this. All right, next thing going in here is going to be some raspberry syrup, and this is where we're going to get all that lovely fruity flavour as well as that distinctive red colour as well. And I want 15 mils of this. There we go. Next thing going in here is going to be some lemon juice. I want about a shot of lemon juice, which is generally about the juice of half a lemon, and cut it in half, ready to squeeze. For a shot of lemon juice, half a lemon should probably be enough. I'll just use my measure to make sure. Brought me perfectly up to 25 mils of lemon juice. I'll just pop that in there. Last ingredient I'm going to put in here would usually be some egg white, but for this version we're making this a little bit more accessible and suitable for vegans, and to do that we're using this really nice Ms. Better's Bitters Miraculous Foamer, which is going to give us all the texture of an egg white without any of the egg. So open this up and I want about half a pipette's worth of this Miraculous Foamer. I'll chuck that in there. Now I'm ready to shake, so I'll fill my shaker up with cubed ice. There we go. Wrap my tin on, and we'll give this a big hard shake to make sure we get it nice and frothy and foamy. Here we go. Beautiful, that's all shaken up. We can already see that lovely red colour there. So I'll just get rid of the crushed ice that's in my glass here. Give it a little shake to get rid of any excess. And then before I serve this Clover Club, to give it an extra little special bit of elevation, I'm going to rinse the glass with some absinthe. So I've got some absinthe in this cute little spray bottle here. And I'll just spritz the inside of the glass with a little bit of that absinthe, just to give us some of the aroma. And now, just to make sure we don't get any little ice chips in our drink, I'm going to double strain this cocktail into the glass, like so. And I don't think this one needs a garnish. It looks so beautiful as it is. So there we go. That is our Clover Club.